Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on Amazon shopping and we will be learning how to change your language of Amazon. So for this you need to have the application on your mobile phone. If not, you may just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download it. And let me tell you, the procedure is the same for both iOS and Android phones. So once you tap in here, you open it. And what you can see is in the bottom right corner you see these three lines. You may select it, wait for some time. All you need to do is scroll down and you see the option settings. So once you go here, you can see the second option itself just under it, country and language. Once you tap in there, you are given a various different option. First you may choose a country of your choice, but right now we are here to change the language. So let's go to the second option, language. We may change it to anything that we wish to be. Let us just go to Japanese, select, and here you go. Everything in this is now in Japanese language. Skip sign in and your phone has been restarted. You can see that everything on your phone has been translated to Japanese language. And if you want to change it, go do the same thing. On the bottom right corner you have an icon of three lines. Select that, select settings, language, and here on the second option you may select it to English, United States, and done. The phone will again format and change it into English language. So that is how you change your language on your Amazon phone. So it is not only language. If you go to the same place again, you may also change the country, currency, etc. Right now it's you may change it to India, for example, and done. The phone will, and once we open it, the phone will now restart with the Indian country region along with Indian country region. So that is how you change the language, country of region, and currency in your Amazon phone, in your Amazon shopping. If this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.